Welcome to Communication for Happiness, Dr. Sushil, and the topic in hand is a very unique one, and the topic is describe a thing which you want to get replaced. What is the thing? Why you want to get it replaced? And when you will get it replaced? See, due to technological advancement, everything is getting obsolete by leaps and bounds. You buy something today, tomorrow it's out of fashion. It may be anything. And when it comes to human beings, they always love the latest things. And I'm not an exception. I want to get many things replaced, and one of them I like to describe over here, and it is a mobile. Right now I use a mobile. I'll not name the company, but it's very old version. Its speed is too slow. Many of my friends have advised me to get it replaced. I wanted, but I couldn't because I didn't have much money. But now I have promised to myself that I would soon get this work done. Okay? See, very soon because the mobile which I'm going to buy is MI Y2, and its cost is around 11,000 rupees. Right now I have got 8,000 rupees. I'm saving money regularly. Soon I'll have that amount. Most probably by the end of the next month I'll have collected this much amount, then I'll buy this mobile. So by November 2018, this mobile will be in my pocket. Why? There are so many reasons, thousands of reasons are there. First of all, the mobile which I'm going to buy is very attractive, awesome. Its screen is quite big, 6 inches approximately. And see, when it comes to its lock, I like this feature very much. Like with your fingerprints you can do it. It can read your face. Face locking is there. Its process is very fast. Within second, in the fraction of a second, it works. We can install many apps. This mobile can compete with the mobiles which are many times costlier than this mobile. So this is the thing which I want to get replaced very soon, and I will have done it by the next this month, by the next November rather. So this was the answer to the question, a thing which you want to get replaced. And if you want to watch more and more IELTS Cue cards, do subscribe my channel. It's Communication for Happiness, Dr. Sushil. Thank you very much. YouTube channel, I mean.